Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing something comforting, flavorful and truly irresistible. Chicken tikka pizza made completely from scratch at home. Whether you're planning a weekend treat, a party snack or just craving a homemade pizza with real taste, this recipe has you covered. In a bowl add 1 cup of lukewarm water, 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, mix well, cover the bowl with a plate. Keep aside for 15 minutes. In a bowl add 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 teaspoon plus a pinch of salt. Mix well. The yeast has activated well. Mix it gently. Pour it into the dry ingredients. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead to form a smooth, soft and elastic dough. Once the dough is kneaded well, bring the edges of the dough towards the center and tuck it in. Grease a bowl with oil, place the dough in it, apply some oil on the dough as well. Cover the bowl with a plate and let it rest for an hour or until it is double in size. In a bowl add 277 grams of boneless chicken washed and chopped. Add half teaspoon of salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of half lime. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken tikka masala powder. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, little oregano, little chili flakes. Mix well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Keep aside and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Mix well. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, switch off the flame. The dough has risen well. Gently punch the dough. Sprinkle flour on the work surface. Gently knead the dough. Bring the edges of the dough towards the center and tuck it in. I am dividing the dough into 3 portions. Keep 2 portions covered with a cloth. Bring the edges of 1 portion towards the center and tuck it in. Roll the dough little bigger than the pizza pan. I am using a stainless steel plate greased with oil and coated with flour. I am placing the dough into it. I am tucking the edges like this. Press the edges properly. If you like this video, do give this video a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Poke the base with the fork like this. Apply pizza sauce on the base. Sprinkle chili flakes. Sprinkle oregano. Sprinkle grated cheese. Place chicken tikka pieces. I'm adding cut capsicums. I'm adding black olives. I'm sprinkling oregano and chili flakes. I'm adding little tomato sauce. Brush the crust with olive oil. I baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Keep checking after 10 minutes if it's ready, as timings and temperatures of various ovens differ. Apply olive oil on the crust. Just look at that, golden edges, melty cheese and those delicious chicken tikka pieces on top. This smells like a pizzeria with a daisy twist. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy baking and thanks for watching.